Senate President Tito Sotto and Senator Ping Lacson are glad to have found an ally in later Representative Lucy Torres for the anti-terrorism bill. On Instagram, Torres posted a lengthy explainer on the bill. She recalled the January 2019 church bombing in Holo, and the ongoing cases on the Marawi siege. Torres stressed the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020 is necessary to give teeth to the government's campaign against terrorism. She clarified some provisions of the bill which critics claim may lead to human rights abuse, and to arrest while attending rallies. Sotto called Torres beauty and brains, while Lacson had this separate tweet about the lady lawmaker.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.